crazy New Year days. I play with TIMON and he says that he is cold. So I decided to show him something really hot. Stop, not this one. Yes, this. It is the Immersion water heater. For the beginning, I'll show you how metal reacts with extreme temperatures. This is one of my old videos. If we'll take a metal object to extreme heat, it becomes fragile. It is ready, I guess. So let's check. See, it was too easy. For example, exactly the same lock, and I could not break it. And now the extremely low temperature. Yes, my favorite, liquid nitrogen, the thing that was able to beat the bad guy made from liquid metal in one old movie. Let's see if we can repeat this trick. And about an hour later, let's check. Yes, I was able to break the lock, but not into small pieces. But watch this, gallium. It is also metal. Gallium has a very low melting point. Let's freeze this. Whoa, have you seen that bubble? Seems ready. Let's check. Oh yes, now gallium is as fragile as ice or glass. It looks like that guy was made of gallium. Now I need to try putting gallium in molten copper next time. So, the water heater. This one is simple and not very powerful, and it is also made of aluminum. And aluminum does not change its color when it is heated. But let's check. Behaves the same like when it's cold. Oh no, it seems liquid nitrogen 1. Just look at this. By the way, who knows why holy, who knows why it has sand inside? Tell me in the comments. By the way, watch what liquid nitrogen does to meat. The video is kind of old and it is on the channel too. Okay guys, the previous water heater was cheap and aluminum, but I have another one. It is powerful and it is made of metal, and that is why I have some doubts. Do you remember when I put hot glowing metal balls in a giant block of ice? So, because of the temperature drop, they just cracked. What do you think will happen to the hot metal water heater? Let's find it out. As you can see, the red hot metal quickly stops to glow after a while, because liquid nitrogen just instantly cooled the metal. But nothing happened to the water heater. It is intact. Just check. Liquid nitrogen is actually a very powerful thing, and even if you pour boiling water into it, it will become ice. Watch till the end. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and Happy New Year and take care.